Maternal instinct in animals represents one of nature's most powerful and fascinating phenomena, demonstrating remarkable similarities to human maternal behavior despite fundamental differences in consciousness and reasoning. Across the animal kingdom, from insects to mammals, mothers exhibit extraordinary behaviors aimed at protecting, nurturing, and ensuring the survival of their offspring. This profound instinct is not merely a biological imperative, but often involves complex emotional connections that continue to surprise and move scientists and observers alike. The study of animal motherhood reveals intricate patterns of care, sacrifice, and intelligence that challenge our understanding of animal emotions and social structures. The evolutionary significance of maternal instinct cannot be overstated. It is crucial for species survival, particularly among mammals whose offspring require extended periods of care before achieving independence. Through millions of years of evolution, animals have developed diverse and often sophisticated parenting strategies that optimize their offspring's chances of survival in challenging environments. This article explores the fascinating world of animal motherhood, examining its manifestations, biological mechanisms, emotional dimensions, and the surprising similarities and differences with human maternal behavior. Maternal protection is perhaps the most visible expression of maternal instinct across species. Animal mothers regularly demonstrate astonishing courage and strength when defending their young against predators and threats. Female elephants, for instance, form protective circles around their calves, with adults facing outward toward potential danger. These magnificent creatures are known to become formidable forces when their offspring are threatened, capable of charging at predators like lions with incredible force and determination. Similarly, giraffes have been observed delivering powerful kicks to lions that approach their calves, often successfully driving away these skilled predators. In the aquatic world, hippopotamus mothers exhibit remarkable protective strategies. When submerged in water with their calves, they instinctively create a protective barrier by releasing their feces into the water and vigorously stirring it with their tails, creating a cloudy environment that obscures the calf from potential predators. This ingenious behavior demonstrates the sophisticated adaptive strategies that have evolved to enhance offspring survival. The nutritional aspect of maternal care is fundamental to offspring development and survival. Mammalian mothers produce milk specifically tailored to their offspring's needs, with composition varying dramatically based on environmental demands. Seal mothers provide an exceptional example of this adaptation. Harp seal milk contains approximately 50% fat content, enabling their pups to gain up to 5 pounds per day during the critical 12-day nursing period before weaning. Primates, including chimpanzees and gorillas, exhibit extended nursing periods and gradual introduction to solid foods, with mothers actively teaching offspring what foods are safe to eat. Similarly, domestic cats demonstrate meticulous care of their newborns, immediately licking them clean after birth to remove placental material and stimulate breathing, then guiding them to nurse the nutrient-rich colostrum essential for immune system development. Dolphin mothers create distinctive signature whistles that they use to communicate with their unborn calves, establishing recognition patterns that will be critical for mother-calf bonding and communication after birth. Predatory species must teach hunting techniques to their offspring. Big cat mothers, such as cheetahs and lions, gradually introduce their cubs to hunting by bringing back injured prey for the young to practice on, adjusting the difficulty as the cubs develop their skills. Similarly, bird species demonstrate teaching behaviors. Eagle parents gradually reduce food provision as fledglings learn to hunt, encouraging independence while still providing a safety net. The biological basis of maternal behavior is rooted in complex neuroendocrine systems that have evolved across mammalian species. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, plays a fundamental role in facilitating maternal care, parturition, and milk letdown. During late pregnancy, estrogen levels rise dramatically, upregulating oxytocin receptors in both the brain and uterus, priming the system for the onset of maternal behavior. Research has shown that hormonal priming is essential for maternal behavior in many species. The hormones of pregnancy, under control of the fetal placenta, inhibit sexual behavior, promote feeding behavior, develop mammary glands, and prime the brain for maternal care. The emotional dimension of animal motherhood is perhaps most strikingly evident in the profound bonds that form between mothers and their offspring. Many species demonstrate behaviors that suggest deep emotional connections extending beyond mere instinctual responses. Primates, particularly chimpanzees and gorillas, provide compelling evidence of such bonds. with mothers observed carrying the corpses of their deceased infants for weeks or even months after death. Elephant mothers also demonstrate complex emotional responses to offspring. When a calf dies, the mother exhibits depressed behavior for days, while the herd participates in burial rituals, gathering leaves and branches to cover the body. The mother has been observed revisiting the site where her calf died, suggesting a form of memorialization and continued attachment. Remarkably, the maternal instinct can sometimes transcend species boundaries. There are documented cases of animals adopting and caring for offspring of other species, such as dogs nursing kittens. This phenomenon demonstrates how powerful the maternal drive can be, capable of overriding typical predatory or defensive responses that might otherwise occur between species. While maternal instinct is widespread throughout the animal kingdom, its expression varies dramatically based on ecological constraints and evolutionary adaptations. Some species have developed what might be considered harsh maternal strategies that nonetheless enhance reproductive success in challenging environments. The harp seal mothers previously mentioned provide intensive care for only 12 days before abandoning their pups to return to feeding themselves. Similarly, panda mothers faced with twin births will typically choose to care for only the stronger cub, abandoning the weaker one. Though this seems cruel from a human perspective, it represents an adaptive strategy for environments where extended care would jeopardize the mother's survival and future reproductive potential. The comparison between animal maternal behaviors and human motherhood reveals both striking similarities and important differences. Like many animals, human mothers experience biological priming through hormonal changes during pregnancy that prepare them for bonding and caregiving. Recent research has begun exploring how human-animal interaction might influence maternal mental health in humans during the perinatal period. The power of maternal instinct in animals represents one of nature's most profound and widespread phenomena, cutting across species from insects to mammals with astonishing variety and consistency. From the protective circles of elephant herds to the epigenetic transmission of stress responses in dogs, animal motherhood demonstrates sophisticated biological and behavioral adaptations that have evolved to maximize offspring survival in diverse environments. The emotional dimensions of animal motherhood, particularly evident in primate grieving behaviors and cross-species nurturing, challenge simplistic understandings of animal behavior and suggest deep evolutionary roots for the emotional bonds that characterize human maternal experience. The study of animal maternal instinct not only expands our understanding of the natural world, but also offers valuable perspectives on human motherhood. By recognizing the shared biological foundations and adaptive challenges that unite species, we develop greater appreciation for the complexity of maternal behavior and the evolutionary forces that have shaped it. As research continues to unravel the neurobiological mechanisms and epigenetic influences on maternal behavior, we gain deeper insights into both animal and human motherhood, highlighting the profound connections across species in the universal imperative of nurturing the next generation. Enjoyed this fascinating journey into the world of animal motherhood? Don't miss out on more amazing content about the natural world. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on animal behavior and hit the like button if you found this information interesting.